Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my Yuri family. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah. So let's start today's video. This video is basically a collection of seed bead necklace new designs. You know that seed bead necklace design is a timeless and versatile art form that has been practiced for centuries. As its core, seed bead necklace design involves the use of tiny seed beads which are woven together using a needle and thread to create intricate and beautiful patterns. One of the key aspects of seed bead necklace design is the importance of thread selection. Basically, the selection of thread is a crucial aspect of seed bead necklace design, playing a vital role in the overall appearance, durability, and longevity of the finished piece. A well chosen thread can elevate the design, providing a sturdy foundation that showcases the beads to their fullest potential, while a poorly chosen thread can compromise the entire piece. Thread selection affects not only the aesthetic appeal of the necklace but also its structural integrity. A thread that is too thin or weak may cause the beads to sag or break, whereas a thread that is too thick or stiff may create an unattractive, rigid structure. Furthermore, the thread's fiber content, color, and texture can also impact the overall appearance of the necklace. For instance, a thread with a subtle sheen can add depth and visual interest to the design, while a thread with bold color can create a striking contrast with the beads. Ultimately, colorful, careful thread selection is essential to creating a seed bead necklace that is not only beautiful but also durable and long lasting. So that is most important step in making that type of necklaces. Another important factor in making seed bead necklace designs is the use of color. You know, the use of color is a vital element in seed bead necklaces, offering endless possibilities for creating expression and visual impact. Color plays a crucial role in setting the tone and mood of the necklace with different hues and shades evoking distinct emotions and associations. Be carefully selecting and combining different colors. Designers can create complex and beautiful patterns that add depth, texture, and visual interest to the necklace. The use of color can also be used to convey a meaning and a symbolism, with different colors holding significance in various cultures and traditions. For example, the use of turquoise and coral in Native American beadwork is often associated with protection, wisdom, and spiritual growth. Furthermore, the subtle manipulation of color gradations, contrast, and harmonies can create a sense of movement, energy, and dynamism in the necklace, drawing the viewer's eye and captivating their attention. Ultimately, the thoughtful and intentional use of color is essential to creating a seed bead necklace that is not only visually stunning but also rich in meaning and emotional resonance. Now move to the techniques. The technique of creating a seed bead necklace involves a combination of traditional bead weaving methods and precise thread manipulation. Let's elaborate an overview. For example, firstly, preparing the workspace and materials. It includes four main things. First is the thread selection, like choose a suitable thread that matches the color and texture of the seed beads. Second one is the needle selection. Select a beading needle that is thin enough to pass through the seed beads. Third thing is the seed bead selection. Choose the desired seed beads in various colors and shapes according to your preference and your personal style. Fourth thing is work surface. Set up a comfortable and well lit workspace with a beading mat or board. And also if you like to eat snacks, then also that is also important. Now move to the basic beading techniques. It also includes four amazing techniques. First one is the threading the needle. Thread the needle with the chosen thread, leaving a small tail at the end. Second is picking up beads. Pick up a seed bead with the needle and slide it onto the thread. Third thing is bead placement. Place the bead in the desired position using the needle to guide it. Fourth one is the tension control. Adjust the tension of the thread to maintain even spacing between the beads. Shaping and finishing the necklace. That is also an important thing to know. You know, let's discuss it four steps. First step is shaping the necklace. Use a combination of increases and decreases to shape the necklace into the desired form. Second is adding a clasp. That is also important. Attach a clasp to one end of the necklace using a jump ring or a beading needle. Third thing is weaving in ends. Weave in the thread ends to secure the beads in place. And last thing is blocking the necklace. Block the necklace to even out the tension and create a professional finish. Another most important thing is the consideration of proportion and balance. A well designed necklace should have a harmonious balance of elements, including the size and shape of the beads, the length and texture of the chain, and the placement of any focal points or embellishments. When these elements are in balance, the necklace takes on a sense of cohesion and a visual flow, drawing the eye along its length and creating a sense of movement and energy. Conversely, a necklace that is out of balance can appear cluttered, awkward, or even chaotic, detracting from the overall beauty and impact of the piece. The beauty of a well crafted necklace is truly a wonder to behold. Like a work of art, it has the power to evoke emotion, spark imagination, and transport us to another time and place. The intricate dance of light and shadow across its surface, the subtle play of color and texture, and the delicate balance of form and function all combine to create a visual experience that is at once captivating, soothing, and inspiring. Whether it's a delicate, lacy pattern of a sea bead necklace, the bold, graphic statement of a chunky chain, or the elegant, refined lines of a pearl strand. So, yeah, guys, that's all for the day. I hope you liked the video. Share your reviews. Thanks for watching, also.